Hello guys, today we are looking at Cashapp and how to make an account. So just go to Cashapp or cash.app and then go here. Now let's click on login. Then it says login using your phone. But we're new, so we're gonna have to create an account. So what you need is your phone and then install Cashapp on your phone real quick. So I'm going to App Store, Cash App. And then once you install the app, you're gonna scan this barcode. This QR code. So let's just open it up. Oh, it's taking a while to download. Sorry, guys. So I am opening the app currently. Use our phone. Almost there, guys. No, so the thing is you have to create the account on your phone and then what's it called? And then you can log in on the computer once you made your account on your phone. So that is how you do it. So when you're going through the app on your phone, it's gonna ask you for email, number, zip code, and whatnot. And there's also a referral program where you can earn money. So to be able to open it on the computer, we have to go to one second, guys. Right here's the camera. We're gonna need help. I don't know how to open this up. Log into Cashapp, taxes from the computer. Okay, let's go back. And it says you have to make the account on your phone. So I already made one, so I'll just use my number. You can't make the account on the computer, so that sucks. Then confirmation code is this. So just make your account and then put your number, put your code in. Then you should be able to log in. Alright, this is my account. Estimate refund. That's how you open an account. Alright, thank you for watching.